Hi YouTube, so it's just a quick video to show you how I set up my dash cams. I've got two in my car. This is my partner's car, so I've just installed this one for her. I run them always off the ashtray lighter. This one's a bit messy because it's out in the open, whereas on like BMWs and Mercedes and stuff, they normally have like a centre console here, so you can run the cable up here and into the armrest where the lighter is. I know some people hardwire them into the batteries and that sort of thing, but if you're not technically minded, this is a sort of an easy method. So most dash cams, the cable goes straight up the top, so it doesn't normally come down the bottom because that'd be quite messy. So it goes straight up. You can normally tuck it behind the window, sort of here, if you can see that, but you sort of tuck it there. This bit's always a bit of a pain. But on all cars you have this sort of rubber. So all I've done is literally tucked it down the back of there, down the side here, under the mat, and then back up the other side. So I've sort of tucked it up the back so nobody catches it with their feet, sort of thing. I did have an idea about running it into the glove box, but this just proved a little bit cleaner. What's nice about this dash cam adapter is it's got a USB. With my one in my own car, I then run a USB to the rear one. That's quite good if you need to charge your phone and that sort of thing. So there you go, there's just a sort of simple dash cam setup for you. Only takes a couple of minutes and you haven't got to worry about anything. That's it.